All right, so once you've used the remote desktop.google.com, you'll come to this screen here. And the main thing you're wanting to do here is this share my screen. So if you click on that here, and then select this one here, it's share this screen. So this is the one we want to use right now. So that will then open up another dialog, which is this one here. And we'll need to add Chrome to the to our extensions here. So say add extension. So that's been added, and then we should be able to try it now. Oh, sorry, it also says, do you want to install it? So we'll select install. Okay, and it's then also giving you a warning message saying, are you sure you want to do this? So say yes. Okay, so accept and install. And that's going to start unpacking it. Okay, so that's now done. So then we can generate the code. Click on that. And that's the code. So you can copy that and send that to me. And as you can see, it expires in 5 minutes. So, it's quite secure in that way. It's only a one-time sort of connection. So once it expires and I'll need to connect in again, you'll need to send me a new code. That's about it. Thanks.